My uncle gave me this old Echo chainsaw, 400 EVL. Evil. Ooh. You know it's old because it doesn't even have an emergency stop kickback thing. It's a good saw, but I'm having a problem with the recoil unit. This rope was always too short, and so I'm going to open it up, replace that rope. Let's just take a look at what that's like. That's going to give us access in here. Figure out what's going on. Alright, so the problem obviously is I got no recoil at the moment. I think it's because I pulled it too far. Ow! Oh, mother. Okay. It's still spring loaded plenty. So, but this rope is just not long enough for me. So I'm going to replace this rope. Okay, there's nothing holding this in here. I'm gonna take, I suspect, like most of these, it's tied onto here somehow. Let's just get this out of here. There's probably a cover on here or not, right here. So we gotta get our knot out. Okay, I just chopped off the end, pull it through there, and of course when you do that, this whole spring, which is spring loaded, unwinds, and then I should be able to just remove it. Now this spring, be careful because it'll shoot all over the place. You can see it wound up in there. You don't want to get smacked in the eye with it. I'm just going to close my eyes, pull it out of there. There we go. Okay, I'll show you how to put this back in later. I'm going to go, so this is what you got. I'm going to go find a suitable replacement rope. Alright, we're going to go with the paracord here. It's quite a bit thinner. It's got a little bit of stretch to it. I think I can add more in there, have a little bit longer pull. We'll give it a try. Alright, it helps to have a little forceps to poke the string down there. We're going to just pull it out here. Tie a knot in this end. That will then lay down in this channel here. Nice and tight. Now, I'm going to see how much of this we can get in here. So that much fits. Wow. Okay. Alright. So that's way longer. That's great. Way longer than I would ever need. Alright. So now we need to wind up this spring, and honestly, truth be told, I'm not sure exactly how to do it, but I have such obscene levels of self-confidence that I'm sure I can figure it out. Let's make sure it's all flat. Now, maybe, let's just try get it started. And I'm going to just leave it flat on this wood and see if we can get it. Because it's got to get small enough that it's going to fit inside the case. Let's wind it up as well. How's it look? It's pretty good. Okay, sort of got it rolled into a small package now. Let's see if we can plunk it in there. Where's my forceps? Okay. All right. Make sure this is over this knob. There we go. All right. So now we got to get our rope up through this hole. And out here. Okay. Just to help me here, I'm going to just tie a temporary knot here so that I don't have to hold pressure on it and get that handle on. I think what we could do, if I put a knot here, it should stop there. Now let's put this back on the saw so I don't have to worry about it flying out again. Probably figure that out without having to waste time with the video. So once this is on, we'll just put these 4 Allens back in here. Alright, I'm gonna take this out so it doesn't get too tight. I think I can make this stay with my handy forceps here. Alright, I'm going to put it through the black part first, and then through the white part, and we just finally need to tie a little knot here. Inside here, and then that fits inside here. Now all right, so that is excellent. That is giving me a lot greater range than the last one did. It's back now. Let's see if we can get it started.